If your blog post is not showing on Google, this is the fastest way to check and fix it. Here's a simple trick. Go to Google, type your main keyword, and add your website name at the end. If your post is indexed, it should appear on the first page, but if it doesn't show up anywhere, that means your post is not indexed yet. Now let me show you a real example. This is my latest post inside my WordPress dashboard. It's published, everything looks fine. But when I search it on Google using the keyword plus my site name, you can see it's not showing at all, not even on the last page. Now let's compare this with another post. This one is already indexed. If I search it the same way, it appears instantly on Google. So why is one post indexed and the other one not? Let's fix this. Go to your Google Search Console dashboard. Now open the URL inspection tool and paste your post link. Press enter. Here, you can see this post is already indexed. Now let me paste another link, a non-indexed one. And here it is. It says URL is not on Google. So how do we fix this? We need to request Google to index this page. But wait, before you do that, you must check if your page is working properly. Click on Test Live URL and wait a few seconds. If everything is okay, you'll see that the page is live and accessible. Now you can safely click on Request Indexing. And that's it. But are we done? Not yet. This is the most important part. If your content is low quality, Google may still ignore your page. So before requesting indexing, make sure your content is well structured. At least 800 words, no copied content, and actually useful for users. Also, try to add internal links from your other posts. This helps Google understand that your page is important. Once you do all this, your chances of getting indexed increase a lot. If your post is still not showing on Google, drop your issue in the comments. I'll help you fix it. And if you want to learn how to create SEO-friendly blog posts that actually rank, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.